Hello.
Hello.
Fuck you. Welcome back to Engines and Unfinished Business. That took you by surprise. This week, once again, just me, unfortunately. I did finally do the timing belt. It took me 3 attempts, but it is done.
That's why it's called a timing belt, because it takes a lot of time.
It truly did, because I started trying to do the timing belt when we had the old workshop like 8 months ago.
Oh.
So that's possibly the longest timing belt job in the history of timing belt jobs. Finally time to put the timing belt in, and this time I mean it. Except first, I need to replace this tensioner pulley, because even though it was brand new when I put it on not that long ago, it's gone really rusty, which kind of sucks. Annoyingly, that is now scrap. Finally ready to put the new timing belt on. So, goes around there, around the oil pump, around the water pump, ice cream man. Now I've got to try and put the tensioner back on. Unfortunately, installing the tensioner caused the crankshaft to rotate a bit. As you can see here, the crank's at the top dead centre and the camshafts are actually off by a few teeth. Personally, I blame the confusingly worded service manual. I had to take it all off and try again. This also meant once again resetting the tensioner, which is a challenge because our little baby vice doesn't actually open far enough to do this, and I had to remove the vice jaws just to squeeze it in. So I think I got it right this time. I've just tightened up the tensioner with my 1.9mm feeler gauge in there. So now pull this out if I can. Pull the grenade pin. Now test the timing. So it's getting closer. This time I'm out by 1 tooth. Third time's a charm. Got it all correct, I think. So I've got the engine at 60 degrees. Just going to check the clearance here. It's got to be less than 2.2. That's 2.18 and it fits perfectly. All that's left to do, turn the engine around and make sure it's still in time. See there, engine's top dead centre, cams perfectly lined up. Took 3 attempts, but the timing belt is in. And the last thing is the timing cover. Just one more important job. Done.
We had another Patrina. Don't know their name.
Well, we do know their name, but we like to try and make sure people want their names included on the list, and we haven't heard back yet, so for now they'll be Mr. and or Mrs. X.
Oh, just assume it's the man. Yeah.
Well, I did say Mr. and or Mrs.
Yes, but why does the Mister have to come first?
Mr. always comes first. In my experience, anyway.
That's what she said.
Probably not going to have Misty ready for my brother's wedding. I'm still optimistic, but it's unlikely. But the month after that is the Braunton Wheels car show. And the last 2 years running, I've wanted to have her ready and not. So maybe this year will be the year. Probably not, but maybe.
Next year it is.
Yeah, 2020.
Is that what next year is?
Assuming the years keep going up by one, as they have done for the last 2019 years.
I don't write the date anymore. I never know what it is.
That's true, I never know. I know what day it is in December, because advent calendars.
You didn't have an advent calendar last year. Are you still lost?
Yeah.
Again, thank you for watching, and yeah, bye.
Bye.
You've done some hose pipes.
Yes, but no. Because I have done them, but I didn't film it.